Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add texture overlay to text on CapCut. So first, I'm going to start by starting a new project and go to stock videos and use this black background, and then just go to text and add the text that I want. I'm going to go with Boss, and then I'm going to change the font. Okay, I'm going to use probably this soap font. Okay, adjust the size. Oops. Okay, after that, click on a check icon and then just export the video. And then click on done and click on new project, and then just choose the texture overlay that you want. So here I'm using this watery texture as the main video. Then just go to overlay, add overlay, choose the video text that you export before, and then adjust the size. Then just go to splice, and then here choose the darken or lighten or filter or any text that you want, but I'm going to just go with darken. Then here I'm going to go like this, click on a check icon, and then just go back. You can adjust the text like here, and then you can also add some animations like that. So just choose the animations that you think fits your text the best, and now your text will have that texture overlay. Okay guys, so that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also like this video. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye bye.